In Merrimack, concerns were raised after perfluorooctanic acid, or PFOAs, was found in the drinking water. The chemicals traced back to the nearby Saint-Gobain plant. Friday, the state released a report that looked at whether or not the chemicals could be causing a rise in cancer rates.
The report does not show any increased occurrence of cancer in Merrimack above what would be expected when we compare it to the state rate.
The data was compiled from the state's cancer registry over a 10-year period ending in 2014, the last year that data is available. The report looking at 26 different types of cancer, finding it was not significantly different in Merrimack. But Dr. Chan cautions against reading too much into the report.
It's not meant to try and make a connection between PFOA exposure and the occurrence of cancer. It's simply to provide more information to community members.
Dr. Chan says while some studies have found links between PFOAs and certain types of cancer, other studies refuted those findings. Despite the uncertain science, steps have been taken to connect homes with contaminated wells to the public water supply. Dr. Chan calls such action prudent.
Nobody wants to find these chemicals in their water, and so I think our Department of Environmental Services, along with the water company and community residents and town officials, are taking appropriate steps.
And Dr. Chan says the state will continue to monitor the situation.
This is an ongoing response and situation in these communities where perfluorochemical contamination has been found. So we're going to continue to work with town officials and community residents to address their concerns.
The state is looking forward to working with national groups to get a better idea of the impact of PFOAs and possible connection to cancer. In Concord, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.